install Capcut apps on your Mac. For that you have to open any kind of browser. You can open Safari or Chrome, any one. So I'm opening my Safari browser, and you have to type Capcut download for Mac. Then this is the Capcut official website, www.capcut.com. You have to enter this website and scroll down and go to download, and download for Mac and download for mobile. So I want to download it on my Mac. Download for Mac, then we have to press on allow. Now it's downloading. Wait a couple of seconds to complete the download process. I finished. Then you see this kind of .dmz file. You have to press on, double click on it, and then hold it Capcut and drop application folder, and now it's installing. Wait a couple of seconds again to complete the install process. Now it's completing, and to open it, press on open, verifying Capcut. And you have to select open. This is the fast interface of your new Capcut apps. Now you can join it by signing in, or you can use it without any sign-in process. To open, just import file from your desktop and drag and drop this on here, and now you can enjoy your editing process. This is how you can easily install and set up on Capcut on your Mac device. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.